สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Style by Nan Channels Cooking with Nan again today. So today we're gonna make soup today. It's gonna be soup day today. We haven't had soup for a long time. So the soup we're gonna make today we call potato chicken soup. It's just like a clear broth the chicken soup. It's very easy, it's very simple but tasty. Alright, let's take a look with our ingredient. What do we have today? Alright, let's take a look with our ingredient. I have chicken, 3 drumstick and 3 thigh. 1 whole onion, cut it up look like this. 4 carrots, cut it up look like 2 inches long. 2 stalk of the green bean, 2 inches long cut. It's just like a half cup of the gingers, or you can put more or less. Half cup of the cilantro. 1 whole tomato, cut it up look like this. 2 cups of the young stalk of the celery. 2 tomato, cut it up look like this, big piece like this. And our herbs gonna go in the soup. 3 sticks of the cinnamon and the flower, or this they call it Star Anise. Okay. And for the seasoning, it's gonna go in. I use the chicken powder broth today, or if you have like it's just like a scoop of the chicken broth or pork, you can use. It's fine. And then salt, the white sugar, thin soy sauce. That's all seasoning we're gonna use today. Very simple. Alright, so if you're ready, let's get started. So in the big pot, I fill the water almost half the pot, and then turn on the stove at the high heat. So now my water is boiling, and then we're gonna start adding the stuff. Just gonna add the spice first. So we're gonna start adding with the chicken, because the chicken is supposed to goes in during the water boiling. Okay. This soup's very easy. You just add everything at the same time. Potato go in because we want our potato cooks fast, because potato has to get cooked, and the carrots. Plus ginger, salt, maybe one tablespoon for now, and then cover it. Just wait until chicken and other ingredients cook, and then we come back to add the other stuff. Okay guys, we back to check our soup. Oh, it's really boiling. Check our soup. This looks good. It smells good already. I'm so hungry. So now we're gonna start add the rest of our ingredients. Celery, more tomato, because doesn't look like enough. Okay, so that's mean tomato, 2 tomatoes. Let's come back to check when everything is, when the broth or the soup is boiling again, and then come back to check. Okay, let's come back to check with our soup today. Alright, so we're gonna keep boiling until our chicken become soft, becomes tender, and the other ingredients like vegetables become soft. So some of them maybe breaks apart later, but don't worry, that's a good thing because your soup or the broth is gonna get concentrate and create good flavors and make your soup flavorful. That's a good thing. All right, so we're gonna keep boiling like this, and then we're gonna come back to add our seasoning later on. Okay, so for now we're gonna cover it, and then we come back in just a moment. All right, look like our soup just everything becomes soft. Okay, everything becomes soft, and then we're gonna start add the seasoning. That's white sugar. Only half tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. It's just like a 2 tablespoons of chicken powder broth. Thin soy sauce. Let's see. Let's put 4 first. Oh, our tomatoes getting soft very fast. Okay. So then you can taste. That tastes good. I think we're gonna need a little bit salt. More salt, like a 1/4 of the tablespoon. Okay. We can just stir just a second, and then we're done. Because our ingredients become soft, that means it's done. Everything done. It tastes again. I have to put the salt. Oh, excellent. Alright, I forgot to mention earlier about green onions. We can put the add last before we turn off the stove because green onions easy to cook. So now we're done. Turn off the stove and then ready to eat. Alright, let's try out everyone. Smells so good. Cinnamons and the star, anise star, and gingers or those type of ingredients too. So good. And the shallots, fried shallots, smells so nice too. I love it. I'll eat the broth. Okay, let's try our drumstick. Ooh. You either can use chicken wings or a small drumstick, but I like this type of soup. I like to use with a big drumstick. Okay, I'm gonna take the whole thing. Okay, this looks. It's gonna be awesome meal today. Oh my god, eat with the jasmine rice, guys. It's kind of difficult to scoop it up. Okay, that's it. That's it. Broth. So nice. Oh my god. So lovely. So good. Don't skip this, okay? Don't skip the cinnamon and the Star Anise. It's helped the soup taste much better. Aroma, taste, aroma, flavors. So good. I'm not sure all the recipe what they do, but this is the way I do. I like to put the spice like cinnamons and anise in, and the celery, make the broth, make the soup, everything else perfect. Alright, everything else perfect. Please try it out. It's very good soup today. It's very good soup and easy. It's very simple. It's very nice. Okay. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you guys next time on the next video. Alright? Alright, thank you so much for watching today. Bye bye. เพื่อนๆแล้วก็อย่าลืมทำทานนะคะเป็นสูตรนี้ใส่ซินนามอนกับดอกไม้เนี่ยนะคะดอกเขาเรียกอะไรดอกโปยกั๊กหรือดอกอะไรนะที่บ้านเราเรียกไม่แน่ใจนะคะก็ใส่พวกนี้แล้วก็ใส่ขิงด้วยและจินเจอร์นะคะมันจะแบบทำให้ซุปของเราหอมมากขึ้น smell much better if you put the ginger, the cinnamon and the star anise. Alright, it will smell better. หอมมากขึ้นนะคะคือปกติเขาจะใส่แต่ potato, tomato แล้วก็ carrot แล้วก็หอมใหญ่เนาะหรือบางคนก็ใส่ celery ด้วยหรือว่าก้านcelery ก้านอะไรนะบ้านเราเรียกขึ้นช่ายเหรอใช่นะคะแต่ว่าสูตรของแนนเนี่ยหอมมากเลยค่ะหอมจริงๆอร่อยด้วยค่ะยังไงก็อย่าลืมทำทานนะคะแล้วก็วันนี้ก็พอแค่นี้ค่ะก็ขอบคุณมากๆนะคะวันนี้แล้วก็อย่าลืมกดไลค์กด subscribe กดแชร์แล้วก็กดกระดิ่งด้วยนะคะเราจะได้เจอกันโอกาสหน้าในวิดีโอต่อไปค่ะยังไงก็ขอบคุณมากๆค่ะบ๊ายบายค่ะ